go back around.
So as you can see, I just installed a 10,000 BTU fetters in one of the upstairs bedrooms at this house. Now I am going to install the 10,500 BTU Sharp that was downstairs in the living room last year. So the case for that one is right here, as well as the front cover. It's going to be one of these two right here. I have to look inside because I recognize which one is which. They're both 10,500s. I think this is the one that was used upstairs and has noisy fan motor bearings that I need to deal with. So that's going to be the one right there that we need. I got it uncovered and the case for it is already downstairs. And the reason I didn't use that other 10,500 BTU Sharp in the upstairs bedroom this year is because, like I was mentioning, it's got some fan motor bearing noise. So that's why I use the fetters. Now time to put the 5,000 BTU higher in. Next, I'm going to install the 6,000 BTU GE in one of the bedrooms, and I may put the 8,500 BTU Sharp right next to it, but I don't know. See how I feel after I get this one put in. Got GE installed. Let's start it up. Sounds pretty good. A little bit of vibration like usual, but not too bad. Okay, so I have a choice between these two 8500s. That's the one with the louder fan bearings. You know, it makes that clicking sound, and that's the quieter one. I had the quieter one installed last year, so I'm not sure which one I want to use. Yeah, let me think about it for a minute. Okay, I'm gonna go with the quieter one. At some point this summer, I may end up installing that 8,000 BTU fetters with the Sanyo compressor in my room next to the Sharp, but for now I want to use that GE for a while. And then there's the other 7,500 down there, which needs new thrust washers in the motor, and could be oiled too, because I think it's due for that. Got the Sharp installed. GE is working just fine. I'm gonna shut it off now, and we'll switch over to this one. Fetters is working great. It's blowing ice cold air. This one is blowing ice cold air and it sounds great.